Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if it looks like I am pretty much wearing the same makeup, the same clothes, it's because that I'm recording at the same day, one after another, pre-recording, forgive me. Alright, so, basically I just finished this makeup look. If you want to know how to get this look, I might upload this video first, or the makeup look video first, I don't know, I haven't uploaded yet. Literally just finished recording that video, so this is the final look. Anyway, so this video is about me doing my hair. If you don't know already, I have recently cut my hair pretty short. I don't think I've ever gone this short in my entire life. So, except for like first grade, my hair was like a little bob. My mom cut it for me. So, except for that, but otherwise my hair the entire time was really long. But I cut it off because it's just been damaged. I mean, I had it blonde and I had it like dyed and just, it was just damaged, and I just had enough of it. So I want to slice and dice and chop that hair off and start fresh. And my hair just looks so much healthier and it feels nice. There's no breakage. I'm just honestly in love with my hair right now, and I am going for the natural hair color. So this is my natural hair color, if you haven't guessed that already. So yeah, just this short hair is, I'm just loving it. And honestly, my hair feels so light and bouncy. It's, I'm living for it. Alright, so enough of that blabbing and whatever. So for this video, I'm doing a hair, I guess, tutorial, if you will. It's just me kind of like trying out a different hairstyle. Alright, so we're going to try this new hair technique and style for the first time. So let's just jump right in and start the video. I like to pick up my hair straightener. This is what is this? This one's by HerStyler. So if you're curious. So honestly, I'm not like a hair expert. I'm just trying this out. Make sure you use heat protectant spray before you do this. So after you got your heat protectant spray on, just quickly straighten your hair. Just run it down very quick. Alright, so take this half of your hair, split that in two. I'm gonna curl it with my hair straightener. If this video comes out kind of crappy, I am not going to upload it, but if it comes out nice, then I guess I will upload it. So we'll see how it comes out. So it's like little tiny curls. Take this half and curl like so. So the bottom half of her hair is curled. So throw that back. And just so I don't get confused, I like to take a little hair tie and kind of like tie the hair back that I just curled. Alright, so let's take this section right here. And of course, you're not really straightening it. I'm just doing this so it has a little bit of heat on my hair. And just take small little section, clamp your clamp, and twist it around. And curl. Voila. Next hair. Twist, and just be careful because it is a hot tool. Voila. So this part of my hair is all curled. We're gonna do the same thing with all the other parts of my hair, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, this is the final hair look. I think I did a pretty good job curling my hair. Not too bad if I don't say so myself. Alright, so here is a, I guess, a short slash medium-ish hair curling tutorial. Super easy. All I did was section it off, curl, curl, curl. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, I used a hair straightener and not a hair curler. You can use whatever you want, a hair wand, a hair curler, a hair clamp, whatever. But I use a hair straightener. The product I use will be down below in the description box, so be sure to read the description box for your, you know, it's for your benefit. Alright, so that's it, guys. Here is the final look, and I am pretty happy with it. I feel like I'm pretty glammed up for work today, but I'm not mad about it. I do like this look. Anyways, that is it for the video. If you like videos like this where I do not just a makeup look, but also I guess hair looks. I mean, I'm not like a hair professional, but I feel like we all you know, do something with their hair once in a while. So a real girl talking back to you guys, talking about hair stuff, I don't know, whatever. If you want to see more videos, not just makeup videos, please like this video down below, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click subscribe, tap on the notification bell, and of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. All right, bye.